FPNTV official on a year ADEKYE3 Nsem and I sign atnasi. I signed a baby song, a baby as a who's a matnasi, they are trending stories. And some ACC or amount for mine, so any yet ye, you Hagana, and I did baby song, and ye baby tin Komoka Krana say, open a year of phone, Mr. Oko YouTuber, a FPNTV official. So now call a TikTok. Baby, I'll be Kubiano, a FPNTV official. With my subscribe, you know, I like it. Now, I share, never be a sort of come on. Oh, yeah, for a comment, for tight. So now you're reading the come on, yen science and farmers. So, person need you want DBA. So, a AFD. So, obit me a contact a penny for social media handles. No, so I'll be your numbers so not on penny for so. At me, I can come on. I'm a baby. So, at me, I come. And now the chain with some say, a sign share union will be commodity. And then yeah, the union Captain Smart, and come and a day, by a FD. So, South na free a Captain Smart and send some. So, I ever bought a room or Baba will be a friend of pen of mine on the son home and some Baba SD secondary school, a brand to be a 2 a goon and so a Baba one, Nenny Efriano, and also you be a home commander. Yes, Shas, and yes, started for a Captain Smart. And Chebia na union Captain Smart, or Dini birthday last year. Now, so already Captain Smarter, every year be obeying the birthday and say, or institution be that's a person retire and that's who are sometimes and most of the times who on his birthday. Now a year on the 5th of May, now a year new Captain Smart in the birthday, and I'll bet now on near TV. And I didn't send me to Jana Captain Smart and somebody to Jana in a retirement. And that's all free on your TV homes and seminar or the 2 Jana. And then some of the 2 Jana are who you was see and the media intino were hurting the family, were hurting the even the wife, the marriage and a worrying for hurting a year and a warrior because of a year media and I say a journalism, a year worker, where you know, a and that's on mine, a year concon Ghana, and what me I hurting the family and then the maybe into no Captain Smart, if you and Echo was stepping back. Or the any shoes go or running shoes and in the gloves at a go now about a year cheap you will name a mirror a baby on Captain Smart or besign ever funny boots no some babetina ye Mike you know some a media Germany view or say a bit me Eddie a year 1 week a bit maybe some years a bit maybe some months but for now or quite nephew you know fix or non own problem that is what media you know while counter a lot of problem in his houses and family and also no Captain Smart and ultimate tree now your corrections be well and said the beya obenya and macra benya father love at the amount young chahon young kuti a yen 70 bimra you are yet the dear to us on
by the grace of God we will meet somewhere. We will meet somewhere. And the BIA the Duma shower sir I am here. Quit when the applause is loud. So that the people, because of relationship, how I've hurt my kids, because of marriage, how I've hurt the entire family, my colleagues, because of the near family. I am going to help, hide, and help myself. So, JD will take over. Maybe 1 year, maybe 2 years, maybe 1 week, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. It can be any day, it can be anything. But I must thank you and say I love you for you being with me from 2001, 1st June 2021 to 5th May 2025. Miffy Angel 5th May on my birthday. You remember? I left on my birthday. I am out. Thank you. God bless you.
We need a year near Captain Smart or the 2 draft for a retirement. Now, with this video, you are the last part of the video or kind of clear say or sorry Jumadinus or retire a year AFRIYIE on near TV. Now you are not so bad as someone. Before see a dear about someone, you near Captain Smart, it didn't come be that very day. You say, I'm out for any part. Don't want to say, or no Captain Smart onya sika enti na opese o retire na se ofiri eye media adwuma no na okansem bi e ma ne tomakoma so pa na asem o kan na was when poverty was controlling him, where were those people? Omo keka se wanya sika wie enti na opese ogya adwuma no na obuso omo se ebra de wo hia ne ahocha dokoro no na e control no na sa akofo no wai a na mba keka se ono Captain Smart onya sika ana so omo sika e control no yenko tie sa video ne mra.
When poverty was controlling me, where were you? Where were you? You see, sometimes we need to understand people. The pain which is mixed with gain, that those people are lost in the middle and they can't find their way. We need to understand people. You see, when you have pain and gain mixed together, you can never phantom your in, because it's G-A-I-N and P-A-I-N. You can never phantom your in, your I-N. That is your inner being, because pain touches your inner being, gain touches your inner being. But when you have a human being who is actually working with a mixture of pain and gain, be careful with that person. Me, I am a working person with a mixture of pain and gain. The Nyamiya say, me gain no does so change me pain, because I have a lot of people around me. So you got to be careful how you deal with people. Every human being is a door. How you open it, the door would always be there for you. How you shut it, it would always be shut for you. Every human being is a door. And if you are not careful, you might not appreciate the doors you are opening and the doors you are shutting. And easy, and easy. Maybe you feel bad, no, you're crying. And what? Me read fear. Me can't say we read this book. But me family ni kan yin adwuma. Na your mama tell us say you start to executive theater. We'll start reading this book. I remember very well. 1994. Where you and me were here. You hear GSS? Is it 95 or 96? 1994. No me didn't feel say. Me na naba no tontoma na ton oto na naba afia ko bi ho asante hin ona kire ni nipa o tontoma won ho na naba afia ko bi na kire me na na fu anso nipa obeto ne o mfa dumas
ene de ye nua Captain Smart ade ba betu dwa after say amanfo enya ne ntie say Captain Smart opese ofiri onua eye TV na amanfo keka say wa masika e control eye ono Captain Smart. Or did you just say a brana uhia a control in life since 2001? Obi a media juman na sankofono na womo ewo hin a high FPNTV official ya wo a year ADEKYE3 Nsem live. Obetimi do comment about Facebook, Samsung obetimi do comment about our YouTube. They all do comment eba no misro na wo share na all the questions and also to us here. Let me answer more come. Captain Smart also retired from Media General, but in some libra baby tuja. You know when and time he's coming back. Obubonko phobia or person replacing and on bit missing an answer. Ya kai say you know Captain Smart or no one a day, ya my man and Mama Brown about Unia TV. What the Nipa be brave from multimedia, what chuma be Unia into a retire. And now watching on kakra. Why not or didn't be seen in answer? Producer, you heard third video number.
I know whom you are. I am leaving. I'm sorry, I know whom you are. No one. Yamisha Bibia from day one. And on this note, I want to announce this to your hearing. And my Juma, in switch to one. God bless all of you. Let me thank those who I'll leave them behind. And today, I want to bow respectfully.
Captain Smart
and somebody too, and on was will retire Asemia or the 2 July 5th May 2025. Now we na nipa bebre apa ponten ebusep sansemi se aden Captain Smart or your contract be AFRIYIE and this impany for ho ana se ono ane will and person the retire na uti Captain Smart and sense some na very deep because from 2001 I didn't know who share media adwuma mu no wa hurting the family, wa hurting so many people, was it friends. Even there are some people take your money because of media, because of words or the bunting. I was so quite enough, fixing those potholes now, creating friends. Be a what me among one tomato because of media and semi okay can't see and pennyphobia. I was say with me a cocoa tenacity, no fixes are a yes and something and a family, even in marriage, crown media are affected. A yes, I'm married in a yen and I said, Nebuchadnezzar no motivate or so quite tenacity. Now, what me affects I am no can say me say a nipa a door, a cast door a pono. It is a ubia, a crime of first or be no. And the bachelor said, the next time person will enter and as always exist here, obey to me as an Afro no boy, ye papa ye President Kufu, did not just ultimately or no what create a year. Doors no be obey to me, a form of piano as a form assigned the Isaac, dear free Captain Smart ho, Eddie Bano, say aha a the channel send your life on FPNTV official, YouTube, Facebook. Baby Piara obey to me as a chair. Now, a person you did you so okay Facebook, okay YouTube, while obehu and penny 4 numbers, egu a year screen no as I say media handles no urema obehu penny 4 numbers, over 4 numbers no, 9 penny 4 so Eddie and command the person here about person biana, so only the baby chibiano. Yes, yet my way come on, our studio ha. And there the some ye Captain Smart ne ababa wa your friend is Susie Penamine. Brante bi edi etuo sabe eko school mu na ode kokobọ ababa wa no na nani atimi afira sa ensem yi empanifo bebrebe ye ho video ma ya dabo mpo eko ya ababa wa eko sra no na ode asem to a Minister of Education ene empanifo Ghana ha omo eka bia ewom na sika kakra wo mo ho no ema omo eso eye asem no na enne eye 20 eye sorry enne aye 6 no on the 5th of May. Ye papa Ibrahim Mahama oso ababa wanu edene kokopi mu ayaresabia ewo eye Accra ana abrabe ka se nkran ama baba wanu koje na ayaresa for the first time eye surgery yenko he video no mra
Abi agak tak payah tu you say je.
Ababa wa yefe ne penaman abra abante bi di etuo ekowura eye classroom na oto ye na etimi ka ababa wa nani na nani etimi afrai se onhuna de bio no eye Ghana mpanifo etimi aso ababa wa yimu eye Ibrahim Mahama ede ne nsa ababa hye eye sa ababa wa ni problem ne how no ase na ordina kwakopiem wo hospital ewo Accra okoye surgery na ababa wa ne nsensem ne yedi akira na no e na court Emma eya brantie na oye sa nyamna nsem no o ma ni bill na after bill no ensem eba beto dwane se court ahye eya baba wa no se anasa brantie no se onfa sika puduo bi emra baba wa no abusua na emu babia baba wa no ne tena bremu so no ana babia oteno abrantie na abusuafo enhwese on betu ho anamon na omu entwa case ni na se aban entwa case in court on declare say case no wa dismiss no enti omuguso am besan akọ court we any dey free eya baba wa yefe ni Susie abante bi edi etu sebe ebo no abra na wo school and a classroom ene de me de babesom e wo dwumade yi so ye nua Captain Smart wana also na retirement from ye Onua TV Onua FM na ode ne nsem tutu just say media adwuma no owura mu ache na affecting a life the family wana wodo wo mpo ena media ntino wakasa sabi etwitwi bi mu ama wanya problems within people around him until now ordinary juma to ho na wako akostina achiri na why corrections be prepare from the one we run media juma no mu no what me asay niema no okokoye corrections we na me de ba be som anopa yeguso aye wa be for fidin tentan ne so die besi e wo so bia no e be san e de aba be som hi FPNTV official said the medical kind so person in panifo edi dwuma biara obekọ YouTube bo FPNTV official and as a Facebook wa obehu ye numbers no say egu ho kama na wafa number no na woni mpanifo atwetwe nkomo na de opese oba studio ha na say woni mpanifo etwe ho nkomo biara no so oni omotimi adi nkomo na bibia so atimi aye kama me sori so no na me kai say FPNTV official ye nje so ani say efinyame obi gina enti efinyame na se be gina de a ye san ewo egidie se ye besan atoa mo awia na ye de ewo so asan e de abrem makram
Abi, yeah. Agak tak payah tu, you say je.